Hello everybody, it's Connie with SimplySimpleStamping.com. I'm so glad you could join me today because I've got another flashcard for you. Today we'll be focusing on the Tropical Chic stamp set. I used some really bright colors, a very fun card, and we're also going to be focusing on that detailed trio punch. So let's get started with our card. So to create the Tropical Chic with much love and thanks card, I started with a piece of Bermuda Bay cardstock. I have that cut at 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4 inches. My two flashcard pieces are in basic black and whisper white. The basic black, that is cut 4 1/4 by 2 3/4. My whisper white, as you can see, is going to layer right inside. That's 2.5 by 4 inches. I'm also going to be using 40 inches of the whisper white baker's twine. That's going to give us this nice look right here. Guys, super fast and easy card. Let's get started with our stamping. So we'll be using the Tropical Chic stamp set. Now this is a bundle. We're not going to be using the framelits on this, but I highly recommend the bundle because it's a wonderful one to work with. But we're going to be using the flower. We're going to use this sentiment right here and this great big leaf. So let me go ahead and grab that leaf. And I have a Pool Party ink pad. So yes, I'm going to go Pool Party on top of this Bermuda Bay. What I liked about using that, can you see it makes the leaves a little more on the green side. So yes, I'm just going to come all along the edges. The middle's going to be covered, so I'm not too worried about that. I've got the Memento black ink pad, and let's stamp our sentiment right here at the bottom of our cardstock. The flowers are going to be stamped in 3 different colors. I have Pool Party, Melon Mambo, and Mango Melody. So I'm going to start with the Mango Melody, and I want to stamp that flower right in the center. I now want to come in with my Stampin' Chamois. I'm just going to clean that stamp off so I can come in now with the Pool Party, and we're going to stamp that to the right. Clean it off on your chamois one more time. Now I'll come in with the Melon Mambo. To give the card some character, I'm going to be using the detailed trio punch, and we're going to use this corner rounder. And we're going to corner round the upper left corner. This slides in, just make sure you've gone in as far as it can go here and here. We give it a punch, nice corner round. Now we're going to go to the bottom right corner, again, making sure that's good. Perfect. Now we're going to repeat that with the basic black cardstock. So we give each opposite corner a nice corner round, and we can adhere that onto the basic black. We're going to bring our card base in and add some more snail. Let's put our focal image on the front of our card, and we are going to do that. Oh, I'm upside down. Let me turn that around. We're going to do that in the upper left corner. And we can adhere that right there. Now let's do something with that baker's twine. We're going to bring in that detailed punch again, and we have a great little slot that's perfect for ribbon, baker's twine, anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place that inside the punch. You want to push it in as far as it will go, and then there's a little line right here on the side of the punch. Guys, I'm just basically looking for the center of my card. When I've got it, I can punch a hole. We can repeat that now on this side as well. Again, just pushing it in as far as it'll go. Eyeball to the center. If you want, you can even mark that, but I find that eyeballing it really does just fine. And now I can take that baker's twine and we can run this through. Now I wanted a few layers, so I'm going to go through 3 times. So there's 1. We'll go back through 2, 3, and then back through right here. I'm now in a position I can tie this in a bow. And now to polish off our card, we're going to come in with the glitter enamel dots. I like to use a paper piercer to adhere these. So we'll add a few glimmer dots here. And there we go. A really great flashcard. Guys, remember that sentiment can be just about anything. I hope you guys enjoyed the card today. I tell you, I love the colors, but I love those glimmer enamel dots. I thought this just really made the card pop. Now, if you would like more information on today's card, let me tell you what to do. Head over to SimplySimpleStamping.com. Just look for the July 5th, 2018 blog post. I'll have everything there. I'll have some photos if you want to see some close-ups, or if you want to see the complete supply list, list or grab the measurements. Those will be there as well. So just head over there, and if you'd like to order any of the supplies I used, you can just click a pick and it's going to take you right to my online store. Order what you need. Now, if you also like the idea of flashcards, that intrigues you, but cutting is a little intimidating, not a problem, I've got you covered. You can also get flashcards to go. This is where all the cardstock for 40 cards, it's all cut, it's scored, it's ready to go. You'll get the flashcard and the flashcard 2.0 pieces that you need. Choose any color family you want or splurge and get them all, and you're going to be set. You'll be making cards till the cows come home. Now, you can also find those there at simplysimplestamping.com. Just look in the top blue menu bar for flashcards to go, and you can order what you need right there. All right, that is it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for being here. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.